Now to the next exercise. We're going into our seated cable row. You'll see I brought over my prime handles. I still want to work each individual arm and lat one at a time, all right? So I brought these over. This will allow me to do so, but I'm gonna keep contraction on that opposite lat that's not working at the time, all right? So set up. I like to keep a slight bend in the knees. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and row the right one back. Keep that contraction. Chest is up, nice and tall. This lat's tight. Now I'm gonna move to the left one. Full stretch. Remember, tuck back, then pull with the lat, and pass the back, all right? Make sure you pass that elbow, pass the side, stretch. Now, keep it back and switch arms. Lat, straight back. Stretch, stretch. Contract both back, squeeze, chest up. Hold that contraction, keep driving the elbows. Now, I'm gonna drop the weight a little bit. Now, I'm gonna keep the elbows high and pull here and finish off with some rear delts, all right? I know most people don't think of rear delts being part of the back, but just look where they're located. They're in your back. All right, here we go. No rocking, just activate the muscles. Contract. Man, all right. On to the next one.